Carcinogenesis is a complex, multi-stage biological process by which a normal cell progressively acquires genetic and epigenetic alterations that lead to its malignant transformation. From a molecular perspective, this phenomenon involves the accumulation of mutations in key regulatory genes, such as proto-oncogenes, tumor suppressor genes, and genes responsible for DNA repair, generating an imbalance in the mechanisms of cell proliferation, differentiation, and apoptosis. Furthermore, genomic instability favors the appearance of additional chromosomal alterations that increase tumor heterogeneity. In this context, the interaction between environmental factors, chemical, physical, or biological agents, and individual genetic susceptibility plays a determining role in the initiation and promotion of the neoplastic process. Thus, cell transformation is not a response to an isolated event, but rather to a cumulative sequence of alterations that sustainably modify cell cycle control and tissue homeostasis. From a functional perspective, tumor cells develop a range of biological capabilities that confer a proliferative advantage and invasive capacity. Consequently, an integrated understanding of the molecular and cellular mechanisms of carcinogenesis is essential for the development of diagnostic, preventive, and therapeutic strategies for advanced cancer medicine.